What if I told you that just 10 minutes and a $10 bill could fix the messiest, most disorganized spots in your small or rental home? Today, I'm showing you 35 Dollar Tree hacks that actually work, starting with one of my very favorites. This system uses just 3 Dollar Tree spray bottles and a few Dollar Tree cleaning cloths, and it reclaims all that wasted space under your sink. So today we are going to go room by room. We're going to tackle everything from dark pantries to the dreaded junk drawer. And every single project is under 10 minutes and under $10. So let's get going. If you are lacking motivation in getting an area organized, it may be because there's not enough light. So purchase one of these small magnetic lights from the Dollar Tree and hook it onto a metal surface somewhere in your kitchen, bathroom, or another area that's really keeping you overwhelmed. Just having a little bit more light is going to make it so much easier for you to get started organizing and decluttering. In case of an emergency, you'll know that you have a backup light to use as well. If you've ever wanted to get your whole house organized, but you don't have the money for expensive containers, you are in luck. Today, we're going room by room, and I'm going to show you which Dollar Tree containers are best for which job. Organizing an entire house can be completely overwhelming, and most of us don't have the money to spend on the whole house. So we really need to start with a project that takes just 10 minutes and $10 or under. And I recommend that you start with a drawer like the one I'm showing you in our bathroom. I'm starting by lining the drawer with this marbleized contact paper from the Dollar Tree, and you'll notice I extend that all the way up the sides of the drawer for just a little bit more high-end look. Here's an insider organizing hack. You don't need to remove the whole backing from that contact paper. Just remove the edges and you're going to be able to stick that in place. And then when it comes time to remove it, if you're renting, you can do that easily and reuse it in another space in your home. These 10-minute home resets are perfect Dollar Tree organizing hacks, and we're going to go over to the office supplies section, and sometimes it's in the teacher supply as well. These Lucite containers are Dollar Tree hidden gems that I use to organize drawers all over my home. Keep watching to see why it was so important that you took that 10 minutes to line this drawer with contact paper. The real secret to this drawer organization comes in Dollar Tree's party aisle, where you will find several of these small containers wrapped in one package. These were 6 bowls for $1.50. Sometimes these are $1.75, but it's still more cost effective because you can get multiples for one price. No one wants everything shifting around when they open and close their drawer. So you'll see that I use some of those acrylic condiment holders in between to keep everything in place, but the real hack is coming up next. This is Skip to My Life, and I'm Shannon. I am a small space organizing expert, and this is the episode you all have been asking me for. I'm showing you the very best Dollar Tree products, tips, and hacks for each room of your home. This is a large drawer on our vanity cabinet space, and my husband and I share this. It holds all of those little essentials that we use every day. So it's really an important drawer, and I was excited to take this up a notch and make it look high-end. I decided to actually glue these little party bowls to the shelf paper, and now they're going to completely stay put. And that is one of the advantages of lining your drawers. If you need to glue things or put some sticky tape under them to keep them from shifting around, you don't have to worry about ruining the drawers. You can just put that on that contact paper, and you'll know that when you're finished, especially if you're renting, you're going to be able to remove everything without any marks. This renter-friendly organization idea can take you 10 minutes at a time. Just break it down into small tasks, as well as $10 and under. We don't have to be spending lots of money, and this could be a no-cost drawer organization if you use containers that you already have. Maybe you've saved boxes from shipping or shoe boxes or other containers. Today, I am giving you 35 10-minute and $10 and under hacks that actually work to get your small space organized. I do not want you to be overwhelmed. So pick 1, 2, or 3 of these projects, finish those, come back and rewatch the video for a couple more. And by the time you conquer all 35 of these small projects, you will feel so much better. I love the way this drawer looks now, but even more important, I love the way it functions, because no matter how many times we open and close that drawer, nothing shifts around. It's so easy to find and use. I'm going to show you an alternative use for this rose gold metal file folder, and you can find that in the office supply section. Just stretch it out a little bit and it's going to hold hand towels and washcloths. It really elevates the look in your bathroom, especially if you use it in a guest area. So if you see this rose gold line at Dollar Tree, I encourage you to snap them up. Throughout this video, you'll see the stock up symbol, and these are items, if you see them in the store, you really need to buy at least 2 of them. I am going to show you several of my tried and true favorites throughout this video, and when you see that stock up symbol, you want to take note of that item. Next, we're moving to what's more a classic junk drawer or utility drawer, and this is what we keep near our kitchen. I'm using the containers you can find at Dollar Tree. They come in multiples to a pack, and so you just cannot beat that price anywhere else. And not only are these little plastic drawers in white, but now Dollar Tree is carrying them in neutral colors. So they also have this modular system that clicks together for a great drawer organization. You'll notice that I started by lining that junk drawer with wrapping paper. So that's another great thing to stock up on, especially after the holidays. The more thick and sturdy wrapping paper makes great drawer lining as well. This next Dollar Tree organizing hack went viral on my Instagram feed, and if you haven't found me on Instagram yet, it's just @Shannon Skip to My Life. I would love to have you join me for even more fun. This 3-section serveware piece is found in the party section at the Dollar Tree, and it makes such a clean and organized look, especially for those odd-shaped drawers and those of us with older homes. Here's a Dollar Tree Insider hack. If you see a banner in the store that says Model Store, you know that you have come to a well-stocked location. Organizing your kitchen really can make it more fun to work there, but it also helps you to stay on budget. When you can see everything and have easy access to it, you're less likely to let food spoil or buy duplicates. For our next small space organizing hacks, let's move to the kitchen, and we're going to start with the undersink by adding a little bit of light. One of my favorite Dollar Tree tools for organizing kitchen undersinks are these locker bins. You'll see how I'm using those in our kitchen undersink, and one of the reasons I love these is because even if they get wet, there is really no problem. They're not going to get ruined, and they're going to protect the contents inside. Here's a no-cost kitchen organizing hack. Get out all those cleaning cloths and dish towels from your kitchen and get rid of those old ones that are stained and torn or that are just outdated and you don't like anymore. These stacking organizers have gone up in price, but you can still get 4 for under $10, and that is enough to make the most of that undersink organizing project. It may be time to replace some of those kitchen sponges, and if you're on the hunt for a good one that does not scrape your pans, the Scrap Buddies 2-pack with a metallic coating is one I recommend. If you're new here, a great big welcome. I'm Shannon, and this is Skip to My Life. I help you break through big clutter with small wins, one clear step at a time. Let me break down how I made that universal cleaning station I showed you at the beginning of this video. I recommend the straight-sided spray bottles from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree carries all different kinds and sizes of spray bottles, but I find that the slender-sided ones are the ones that fit most easily in small spaces. And if you find this in clear, I'd encourage you to stock up because they do come in all different colors. I always prefer the clear because then I can see the color of the fluid I'm using and I can label them really easily. There are all kinds of different labelers, and I will link to the one that I love the most, but labeling your supplies can make a huge difference in how you feel about your undersink and your kitchen in general. One of my Dollar Tree cleaning favorites are these Clean Life utility towels. They're made from bamboo, and they will last you a very long time before you need to discard them. I've saved so much money on paper towels since I started using these. I'll link to this overdoor basket that I use to hold all these cleaning tools in one small space under my sink organization. So many of you have asked me just how I find these great items at my Dollar Tree, and I completely understand because every single Dollar Tree is different, and what I have at my Dollar Tree may not be the same as yours. So I suggest you look at dollartree.com online and check to see which stores in your area might carry the merchandise you're looking for. Also, a Dollar Tree app that you can download and look by your zip code to see which Dollar Trees in your area carry what kind of stuff. We have no pantry in our kitchen, and many of you have told me that you have that same situation. So I searched high and low for plastic airtight containers that would fit in our weirdly shaped and configured cabinets, and these SureFresh tall containers were a lifesaver for me. I removed the labels with a blow dryer. I spray painted the outside of all the lids to match, And then I created 14 pages of printable labels. Now, if you want those labels for your containers, all you need to do is click below in the description box and you will see the drop down where you can click on the area that says free labels. That will also sign you up for my weekly email newsletter where I tell you what's coming up and more behind the scenes organizing hacks. So not only is this system more attractive, but it makes restocking my pantry a breeze because at a glance, I can tell what I need on my shopping list. I don't have to open the lids to everything and see how much is left inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love to have you click that button because I have so much more coming up for you this week and in the coming months. Well, you can see that this took me more than $10 in 10 minutes, but I did it a section at a time, and that's what I'm encouraging you to do as well. If you're just completely overwhelmed, do not think that you have to do everything at once. Just pick a small section. Just like with any plastic container, make sure that you click all 4 corners of these lids. I've never had any problem keeping food fresh in them for long periods of time, even things like brown sugar. So these SureFresh containers come in many sizes and shapes. I encourage you to either measure your cabinet or just purchase a few different styles, bring them home and work with them to see which ones fit best for your spot. If you live in an older home or you have awkward cabinets, these handled baskets can be a great organizing tool. These Dollar Tree kitchen organizing hacks have really helped me enjoy my time cooking and baking so much more. I actually love spending time in my kitchen now where before I used to dread it. Make sure you comment and tell me which of these ideas you're going to try first. If you're struggling to keep your spices fresh and organized, you're going to want to try this $10 and under and 10-minute idea. I created this custom spice organizing system using a couple of Dollar Tree products. And now I'm also going to tell you the Dollar Tree spice and seasoning section is a wonderful value. I would just check the expiration dates on all of those spices. I've never had a problem with them going bad or tasting funny. So for the value, you can always replace these spices whenever you need to, especially for things like simmer pots, and I'm going to show you an idea for that a little later. If you've been with me at Skip to My Life for a while, you know that I remind you all to go through your organizing systems about once every 3 months and just update and renew them. And that is especially true for your spices. I made the spice labels with Avery printer paper. This is available at most office supply stores and it's sticky on one side. So all you need to do is follow the instructions on the packet and go to the website, and it has templates for you just to type in whatever you'd like to label. Well, most of us are either trying to lose weight or just eat healthier. And one of the most helpful hacks you can do is set up a refrigerator organizing system. Make it easy to keep those shelves clean with Dollar Tree placemats. I found that it's helpful for me to empty containers that I bought at the grocery store into clear containers. And these jugs are ones I purchased at Walmart, and I have been using them for years. With these Dollar Tree egg holders, I can see exactly how many eggs I have. That eliminates me purchasing extra, and it helps me to keep everything really fresh. You know, the process of downsizing is really kind of like peeling an onion. The things that you really think are precious, after a little time passes, you may be willing to get rid of. I have gone through this process of downsizing over the last few years. I've found that each time I revisit a space, I'm willing to let go of more. Dollar Tree clear cutting mats come to a package, and I use them all over my house, but especially in my refrigerator to label the drawers. They're not only water resistant, but they're easy to wipe down and keep clean. Just remember, your system is made for your life. It doesn't have to make sense for anyone else, and it certainly does not have to break the bank. Purchase a couple of these refrigerator soda can holders, and you'll find that they're the perfect size to hold so many other items besides cans. Especially if you have small children or grandchildren, it's going to make it so much easier to corral all those pouches and drink mixes that ordinarily just fall all over the refrigerator. Not only does this look great, but it's going to help your refrigerator function much better. These kitchen utensils are a great example. I was able to finally let go of all my old mismatched kitchen cooking utensils, and for just a few dollars I purchased a set in the same color scheme from the Dollar Tree. One simple and affordable change made my kitchen so much brighter. I prefer the look and feel of glass hand soap containers, and you can use Dollar Tree scented hand soaps to fill them. We keep our everyday plates, dishes, and glasses in this open hutch, and it's freed up so much space for our cabinets. And this is a small space organizing hack you may want to try. You can grab a container of juice as well as some spices and add about a cup of water to make a wonderful smelling simmer pot that's going to sit on your stove. Your house is going to smell like Williams Sonoma for under $10. We have 2 adult children that live in different states, and I miss them very much, but oftentimes when I'm making dinner, I'll call my daughter or my daughter-in-law, and we'll make dinner together and chat and catch up. And this little Dollar Tree ledge is a great spot to put my phone for those conversations. It's amazing to think that when I was young, we used a phone with a long cord on it that reached across the house, and we could only go as far as that phone cord would reach. Now I can set my phone on this little Lucite shelf, and I can just watch, something on TV or look at a recipe or talk to someone. So we have made it through a lot of changes in our lives, and I think sometimes we need to give ourselves a pat on the back for that. Please let me know which of these ideas was your very favorite, and if you loved this video, here are even more that you're going to want to watch. But most of all, my friend, do not forget that today is not the end of your story. So do not give up. Keep putting one foot in front of the other.